In this tutorial, we are diving into GameGuardian's package install function, which lets you check if an app is installed on the device by its package name. This can be useful to create defensive scripts that automatically stop if a required app is not installed. The function takes one parameter, package name. This is a string containing the unique package name of the app you are checking for. It returns true if the app is installed, false if it is not. This lets you control your script's flow based on whether the app is available. In the example, we define required packages as a table or list containing the package names of apps we need. Each package name is a unique identifier for an app. In this example, ComAtomic and ComDualSpace are placeholder package names. You can replace them with the actual package names of apps required for your specific script. We define a custom function called checkPackages. This function will check if each app in required packages is installed. We use a for loop to iterate through each package in the table. iPairs function returns each package in the table one by one. pkg variable represents the current package name in each loop cycle. We call GG is package installed, which checks if the current package is installed. If it is not installed, the function displays an alert with the missing package name using GG alert. Then, it immediately stops the script with OS exit to prevent further execution since a required app is missing. We call checkPackages, which executes the function with our required packages table as an argument. After checkPackages confirms that all packages are installed, the final alert is displayed. This ensures that the script continues only if every app in the list is available. This code snippet is typically used at the beginning of a script to check for required applications or environments before any other code runs. It is especially useful for scripters who want to restrict the script's usage to specific apps, such as a personalized version of GameGuardian, a particular game, or even a specific virtual machine or virtual space. By verifying that these apps are installed, the script can automatically exit if the requirements aren't met, ensuring it only runs in the intended environment. This defensive approach helps prevent errors and supports custom setups.